Hello traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, we are just going to be reviewing the Gold Hedging EA. It's a dual directional gold system built around hedging and grid recovery. A quick note for you before we start: if you want a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 with plenty of built-in indicators and candlestick patterns, the link is in the description below. All right, so Gold Hedging EA is built for MetaTrader 4, and we're just going to be walking through the marketplace page right now from the top. Okay, this expert advisor is developed by Samir Arman and is currently at version 2.0, last updated on the 25th of April 2026, and it has 10 activations. All right, so the EA is priced at 500 US dollars to buy or 70 US dollars a month to rent. The page also links to a recommended broker. You can see that here. Now, according to the description, this is a high performance automated system built specifically for gold, using what is described as a dual directional trend following strategy combined with hedging and grid recovery. Unlike a typical single direction EA, it opens both buy and sell positions based on trend direction, and when the market moves against a position, it activates a multi-level recovery system, grouping orders and performing partial closes of the oldest losing trades against the profit of currently winning ones. All right. Now, the developer calls the drawdown mitigation and describes it as a way to keep the account healthy, even during strong trending moves. Now, on features, the page describes a multi-level closing logic that triggers specifically at 6, 11, 16, 21, and 25 open orders to secure profit and reduce exposure. Smart hedging and uses profit from secondary trades to clear drawdown on primary ones. Time filtered trading optimized for the most liquid hours, and built-in slippage and spread protection for fast gold execution. All right, so on the recommended setup, the page lists XAUUSD on the M5 time frame, a minimum balance of $3,000 on a standard account, leverage of 1:400 or higher, and an additional lot size of 0.01. For settings, the starting lot of 0.01 is specifically calibrated for that $3,000 capital level. Take profit defaults to 350 points on M5. The trading window is optimized around the London and New York session overlap, and continuous trading is recommended to stay on for consistent results. Okay, so the risk warning on the page is direct. This expert advisor uses hedging and grid elements, and the developer stresses using the recommended balance and the leverage specifically to, so the recovery logic has enough margin to actually function. Okay, so now let us get into the historical testing, and this is one where the numbers need some real context. Okay, I ran this on a $10,000 account above the recommended $3,000 minimum, and of course I ran the test on gold on the M5 chart as recommended. The modeling quality came out to about 82%, and the actual price data reflected in the trade log covered roughly 6 days in mid-July. Let's just quickly go to the trade log. Okay, so here we have our trade log, right? So it covered roughly 6 days in mid-July. You can see that we are the dates here, right? despite the fact that the test was supposed to be between April and July. Okay, so it was a 3-month period that I ran the test for. All right, so keep in mind this result reflects a fairly short window of actual activity. So with that in mind, here is what happened. The total net profit for that window came out to $5,069.8. But the number that matters most here is the drawdown. The maximum drawdown reached 71.15% of the account. The gross profit was $14,626 against a gross loss of $9,556.2, giving a profit factor of 1.53. Now, out of 311 total trades in that short window, a genuinely high frequency, consistent with the multi-level order closing logic described on the page, over 78% were profitable. So here is the honest picture. This account ended up profitable over the tested window, but it got within striking distance of being wiped out entirely along the way, with drawdown reaching 71% of the account's value. So that is very much in line with what you expect from a hedging and grid recovery system that is designed to let exposure build up to 25 open orders before some of its closing logic fully engages. Okay, so the developer's own emphasis on using the recommended balance and leverage to ensure the recovery logic has enough margin makes a lot of sense, a lot more sense once you see a drawdown this deep. Now let's just briefly turn on the visuals so that we can see how the EA looks like in action. Okay, so you can see the display. All right, showing you the account balance, the equity, the profit value per day, profit value per week, profit value per month, the hour GMT. All right, here you can see the assets being traded and you can see the spread. All right, so basically, based on the available information, Gold Hedging EA produced a strong net result in this particular window, but only after weathering down drawdown that came close to wiping the account. So given that this test only reflects about 6 days of real activity, I'll treat this result as a narrow glimpse rather than a full picture, and I'll strongly recommend testing over a much longer period at or above the recommended balance and leverage. All right, before considering this on a live account. So that 71% drawdown number is the one that I'll sit with the longest. Okay, so if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications for more valuable trading content like this. In the meantime, thank you for watching. See you in the next one.